Okay, we have a Jeep that is getting tired. The front wheel is getting locked up. They're not moving. Do not run to do your calipers yet. We check the temperature with this thing. It's 135, 150. And the other side is 111. So the problem that what you're gonna have, or the first thing you want to check, don't replace the calipers. See this metal piece? Eventually it will start getting dirt inside, and it start keeping tying up the hose, and eventually the fluid, it will go to the caliper, but it will not return to the reservoir. And when it's not returning to the reservoir, it's keeping pressure on the brake pads. So what you want to do, you want to unfold this metal piece. You got to put a like a pry bar in this case. You put it right, what is the pry bar? Right there. You got to make sure you move the wire for the ABS, and you're gonna pry it. Open it. You know, it's keeping pressure on the hose. Let's see now. You see, now the tire moves. And you gotta make sure the hose moves back and forth. See, it's still tight. I think there's very long hose in these Jeeps. See all that dirt coming out of there. Let's see if I can get the dirt out. You know, you don't want to just take it right out. You want to release it, but you don't want that thing to fall out. So we're going to put the pliers. Remember, just grabbing the lip. Do not grab the hose. And fold it back. So you're going to have to use different ideas. The main thing is you gotta unfold this bracket. You don't have to replace the hose. It'd be nice if you do it, but let's see. Okay, I got another little piece out. Let me see if I can get a little more out. Another bite. Okay, let's see if it works. It's working. I'm gonna go on the inside now. I'm gonna do the other side. Oh, hold on. I think I can reach over here. GM and Chevy giving me these problems a lot. I don't see this problem happen a lot in Jeeps, but this case is a Jeep. One more. Today is hot. One more over there. Okay, let's try now. Let's try one more time. Yep, it's loose. Okay. You don't want to leave it outside. You want to put it back in. And somehow you got to tighten them up, put some pressure on. Not the whole thing, but you don't want this thing bounce around. Put the ABS wire back into the holes. This one broke. That's okay. I'm gonna put a wire tie right here, and I'm gonna tighten up the bracket a little bit. Alright, I put the wire. Now we're gonna put a little bit pressure back. That's it. But we want to make sure the hose still moves and it's not falling out. You know, bouncing. So it's good. So we didn't have to replace we didn't have to replace no caliper, no brakes, no nothing. All you gotta do is release those brackets. Now we're gonna go for a ride, and when we come back, we're gonna check the temperature for the rotors again. The drums, no rotors. Okay, we just come back. I think it's very good now. Let's see how hot it got. Okay, we got 131 on the driver's side, and we have, let's see, what is this thing? I can't see this. 171 on passenger side, 127 at the caliper, 116 at the caliper. I was braking really hard, but it did feel very smooth. It's in the back, 120, 130, and 120, 130, and the left front 150. This was hot already, so but it feels very good. 126. So before you do your calipers, make sure you release those brackets. In this case, I'm gonna leave it because I think that's enough. But you know, like I drove it really hard and I didn't let it cool down. It was already hot, so we're gonna just leave it like that. We're gonna let it cool down. In a couple hours, I'm gonna go for another ride and just be heavy on the brakes, stop really hard, and check the temperature again. It should be close to be the same in both sides, but you know, if it makes a big difference in numbers, you definitely wanna check. Maybe we left it too tight, but no, I think this. If these brakes, if these hose brackets they are released, then yeah, you're gonna have to move on and remove the caliper and check the pins. But I think we did very good, because before the car it didn't want to go at the stop sign. You gotta give gas so it moves. Now the car rolls. You just put it downhill, let go the brake, and it rolls. Before, it just stays there. Anyway, that's just a little tip about these brake hoses. Alright, the best thing you can do is put a new one, but now you gotta bleed and go through all that commotion. Bye bye.